Hi, this is Ahmer Farooq, and I'm a visual artist. We all are going through tough times, strange times. This lockdown is not easy for everyone. But the good thing is, we have to make the most out of it as individuals. And especially as an artist, I think it's a great opportunity for us to stay home, learn new skills. We can go on internet, look at YouTube tutorials on how to practice new art skills, and we have enough time to practice that. And this is also a time for us to reflect on ourselves and things around us and people around us and nature and reconnect with all of these people. And I think that's a great way to be inspired to work on your new art. Thank you and stay safe.